So I obviously work in television, but I consume a lot of television for research, for my job. I loved my 55-inch TCL television, but I tell you what, this is a serious upgrade. Serious upgrade. So good. Actually can't wipe the smile off my face.
Frank, what do you reckon? Big? Amazing.
You happy with your work?
Absolutely amazing. I'm wrapped. It went on first go.
Is it a little bit She's like, oh. No, just kidding. It's perfect.
Oh, guys. Did that one of your neighbours?
Oh, yeah. Hello.
Hello.
You can come and have a squeeze if you want. You can see it? Yeah. It's like...
Let's go to the castaway, right?
I can't believe how flush it is. There's no gap whatsoever. Like I couldn't even squeeze my pinky in there. That's pretty cool. Well done, everybody. It works.
It works.
That's a good start. And okay. Which one's okay?
That one right there.
Oh, the new one.
So push them together and it'll actually air.
There you go. Channel 7. Channel 7. That's so good. At that point I was a little bit nervous. I feel like I could do my own analysis, you know, with like the freeze frame and then this happened because of that. We can't have a vlog without a little Lloydie feature, can we, darling? See the leopards? See? This is my Simba moment. Alright, so just as a comparison, this is my old TCL TV, which I loved very much. But as you can see, it's pretty crazy when you look at it like this. The vision is as crisp as you'll ever see. The sound is nuts, it is so good. Seriously, like being at a game in person. Guys, you can come around whenever. Feel free. Bring the popcorn, bring some meat for the barbie. So we could not be happier with the install process that happened today. So that's about all she wrote from my crib. You'll find me on the couch. I got some footy to watch, so go on, go on.